morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Fridays are my days to get work done, like if I need to go on campus or make copies or mail anything out to parents or one-on-one meetings with students and families. So I have a meeting on campus today at 11:30, so that is what I will be doing, but I'm probably gonna head over there around 10. But first, I would like to make some coffee, make a little breakfast, and sock advent calendar. Just gotta start the day off right, you know? Today is the 4th, and I realized as I was editing that vlog last night, the design on like the number is literally the design of the socks. Now why would they do that? Why would they give it away like that? Come on. So, oops, I'm always breaking these things. Okay, maybe I lied. I mean, that's how it was for all 3 days. So these ones are little ankle socks, and one says nice until proven naughty. So these are super cute. Once again, so festive. I just cannot rave enough about this. You guys all need a sock advent calendar. So it is definitely coffee time, but I need to pick out a mug, one of my favorite parts of the day. I'm thinking today, you guys, this is sick. I mean, it's sick. And then there's 2 more over in that one. I'm thinking today might be an oh snap kind of day. Brew me up a little bit of coffee, please. I think for breakfast I'm gonna make a little like egg and sausage scramble. So I have these little turkey sausage crumbles that I got from, I believe, Safeway, but I think they have these everywhere. I mean, it's Jimmy Dean brand. I'll probably heat some of these up with some diced up bell peppers, maybe some onions, of course egg, and then probably top it off with a little avocado. So that is what I'm gonna do now. I'm over here trying to cook. Are you kidding me right now? So I added some diced bell pepper, and now I'm gonna add some of these little sausage crumbles. Okay, so breakfast is done. It's just egg whites, bell pepper, sauce, turkey sausage, and then avocado. And then of course I put the best hot sauce ever, pepper plant. This is the original, but there's also a garlic one that is so bomb. So I just put a little bit on here because it is kind of intense. So I am putting those 3 pictures in those 3 smaller frames that I got yesterday at Michael's, and let me just tell you, it looks so good. I'm honestly hoping that one day soon, hopefully maybe even tomorrow, next day, maybe early next week, I will do a like save the date reveal and then show you guys these pictures because they are so beautiful. All right, you guys, I just got dressed for work and I'm about to head out the door, but I wanted to give you guys a quick little outfit of the day. It's honestly nothing special. I think I put too much hot sauce on my breakfast and my stomach hurts. And when I don't feel good, I don't give a shit what I look like. Okay, so ignore the background. It's a hot mess and I need to clean it. But I'm just wearing a plain black t-shirt from Old Navy. Old Navy black Rockstar jeans, black booties that I hauled in another video. And all of a sudden I'm blanking on where they're from. So I will have those down in the description box. This coat that I actually just got from Fashion Nova, it does have a tie in the back that I just kind of like tucked up in there, but I'm gonna like let them loose when I head over to campus. But I really like this coat a lot. It's like an oatmeal kind of a color. It's from Fashion Nova. I just got it, like I said, yesterday. Then I'm just wearing this gold initial necklace that I got from Amazon. Oh yeah, and I'm wearing those double hoops earrings from Ana Luisa. So all of this stuff will be linked down below, but I decided to go all black and a little pop of oatmeal, and I'm ready to take on the day. I'm ready to go get this meeting done and over with because I'm already sick of it. Mama has to go to a meeting, Cash. I know. I feel the same way. All right, you guys, I just got to my classroom and it is a hot mess. It really stresses me out every time I come here because we've just been like going through stuff is left out, desks are moved. I've been coming and like dumping things that I know I'll eventually need here in my class once we're back, but just the site is just scary. So I'm gonna get some work done. Like I said, I have a meeting here in about an hour. I need to like print all the documents and kind of organize my mind. So I just finished with my meeting. Everybody just left actually like 2 minutes ago. And I'm just finishing up some documentation, uploading it into our database, and then I'm headed to go pick up a couple grocery items for dinner tonight. We're gonna do chicken and dumpling soup. Carlos makes it just like the best. It is so good, so I'm excited for that. So I'll probably honestly go to Target because I just don't want to go to a full-on grocery store. That does not sound fun. So I'll just run in. We have like a little side entrance that's like for like mobile pickup, and the grocery part is like right there. So I'll probably just run in, grab a couple things, and then head home. I am so incredibly just sick and tired of everybody. Like literally everyone. I gotta get home. I am just now leaving. I actually stopped across the street and got 2 Subway sandwiches for Carlos and I because we're starving, but pretty much just now leaving work and it's 2:30. I think I left the house this morning around 10:15-ish, so it's been a day. It's been a long day, and I'm ready to get home and eat. I haven't had Subway in so long, but I've been craving it for the longest time. I want to know what your guys' go-to Subway order is, if you even like Subway. Some people are not Subway fans. I happen to love it, but there are some real odd orders out there, and I feel like mine could be one of them. I don't know. So what is your go-to Subway order? I have 2 that I just like alternate between. One of them is turkey Swiss with chipotle sauce, and then of course like lettuce, onions, olives, and pickles. And then my other one is tuna. Their tuna is so bomb, with pepper jack cheese, honey mustard, lettuce, olives, onions, pickles. Done. Those are my 2 go-tos. So bomb. So I want to know, what are your guys' go-tos, because I kind of want to try something different and maybe get a couple more sandwiches into the rotation, you know?
These are my new laces. Shout out Rope Lace Supply. It's not for you.
He always thinks it's for him.
So I had to cop my dad a pair.
Ooh.
Oh, Christmas. He got big ass feet. Look at this.
Those are cool though. Yeah, I mean, everybody, I need a new pair because mine are like real gross.
And then I got, these are the cute ones. Got Charlie a pair.
Oh,
she
look.
get big feet. Those look way too big for her.
What size are they? 1.
And I think she's like a 13 or a 13.
Yeah, but she's a growing girl.
I know, but it's sad.
But those are super
I
cute.
figured her and Grandpa can have matching kicks.
How cute.
I got my pair and they're still dead stuck.
I need to get a new pair now. FedEx just dropped off a package. Actually, they needed Carlos to sign for it, which we thought was weird because we were like, what did we order that we have to sign for? Well, about a week and a half ago, we sent my ring off to be cleaned, and they said it was gonna take a month because of like, I guess COVID times and all that, but it only took a week and a half. So I got my ring back. Excited to have it because I missed it a lot. So that is good. And then also, we've been getting text after text from people saying that they have received our save the dates. So I feel like it's no longer gonna be a spoiler if I show you guys. So you guys ready to see the save the dates? I feel like I've built it up so much that you're gonna be like, that's it. But it's like, I love them. So we decided to go with a black envelope with white writing. That's what the writing looked like. This is of course the return address. And everybody's address and name and stuff was actually printed on here in white, just like the return address, which was nice. We ordered them from minted.com. Highly recommend them. Love their quality. And we did get 25% off, which was great. For the actual save the date, the back is black and the front. Are you guys ready? I love it. We decided to go with the all black gown that I was wearing because if you remember in Yosemite, we did 2 photo shoots, the like emerald green velvet dress and then the black one. So we decided to go with the all black just to match the whole theme. And we decided to go with the picture that was both of us looking at each other. So I just think that they're so beautiful, so simple and to the point. We just have our initials stacked here, Nicole and Carlos, and then the date and place that we are getting married. So I just thought it was, like I said, super simple and just to the point. Also, if you guys remember, I was framing pictures earlier today. I guess I can show you guys those as well. I actually have them framed and already up in the hallway. If you guys remember, I had just like these cartoon like plant paintings in the hallway for the longest time. Honestly, probably since I moved in. Yeah, look at that. Look at that layer of dust. It's like, why am I showing you that? But this is now what the hallway looks like. It's just us. We did the black and white ones. I had them printed. So we have this one here, this one, and then this one I kind of liked. Just hand in hand, and I'm leading the way. So yeah, now you guys have a bunch of sneak peeks of our pictures. There are definitely plenty more, but I'll probably post some to Instagram soon. So keep an eye out there. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me. Also, I got an Amazon package and I believe it's my laptop case. So let's open that. Yes. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this. The pink is a little weird. Well, it's just light pink. I don't know. I guess it's better than nothing. It also comes with a keyboard cover, like one of those rubberized keyboard covers. All right, Carlos is gonna make dinner and I'm gonna put this case on this laptop and see what it looks like. I'm not really the biggest fan of this case. No, it's pink. I went with a light pink because I thought it would be cute, and then I was really just sorely mistaken. Maybe I'm supposed to shut that. I feel like this doesn't fit. I think this is for the wrong computer. I think this is for an Air. I'm pissed. I even read the description. All right, well, this is for the wrong computer. Apparently, they either sent me the wrong stuff or I ordered the wrong. But I looked at that description so many times. Can't be my fault. Carlos just finished the soup and it looks delicious.
I hope it's done.
Yeah, it's done.
I mean, those dumplings, I hope they're done. They look like they're done. I mean, they took a while.
Wait, is this your bowl?
You can have this one. It was my bowl, yeah.
Okay, I'll get my own bowl.
I mean, you could have this if you want. I just was letting it cool down a little.
No, I'll get my own bowl.
All right,
thanks.
Yeah.
Just getting a little facial. Got myself a little celery. Ow! Now I have a burnt upper lip though. Here's a dumpling. God, it's so hot.
Well, yeah, that's why I was waiting. Yeah, it's hot. It literally is steaming hot. Does it taste cooked all the way?
Yeah.
Okay. You should have done a little cooking with keyless. You know?
Cooking with keyless?
Keyless. I got my should have put like a recipe book together.
with just the soup in it?
I got a lot of recipes, sweetheart.
I've never seen one of them.
They're up here.
Oh, God.
Okay. Up in the noodle.
All right, guys, so I just finished dinner and I think I'm gonna go relax. I'm freaking exhausted. I don't know why. I've been so tired today. So I'm gonna go relax. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and I will see ya tomorrow.